Alright, video 9. We're getting through it. It's 9 days of Python every day you've been doing. You must be feeling better about it. You must be. This video is going to be about descriptive statistics, right? It is what it is. It is what it sounds like. And it's quite quick. I'm just going to show you a couple of calls that you use to make your life easier and save you time. So as before, loaded in Pandas, loaded in dataset, looked at the info, described the data. So this is descriptive. This is like a table of descriptive stats, and then a head. But maybe we just want to look at specific things in a descriptive manner. And we start with sum. So let's sum some two columns. So if we call the data frame, then 2 stars and 1 stars, and we put dot sum and in the brackets, the all important brackets. Oh, I'm all the way up there. I'm not in the right column. So there you go. That's what happens when you sum them. Gives you a little output like that. Maybe you just needed to know that data and didn't want to have to do a big count. So you can do the exact same thing, but for mean. So if you want the mean of these columns, and in mean, so same as before, you just call the 2 columns and then put dot mean bracket, and then in here you want to skip the missing data, essentially skip any. Equals true. There you go. That's the mean of those columns, and we'll do it again for the mean axis 1. So that is going down, not across, and it gives us an output of all of them, and it gives us their mean. Yeah, pretty simple. And this one I don't use very often, but it actually is super handy, and I'll probably use it a lot more now. But we've got play data and 1 star, so we're going to look for 1 star, and we're looking for in the index the minimum. So if we do IDX min, so that's the lowest one that has that in 1 star, and we want to look for the max. That's the highest. So it's really easy and really fast to get this information out. And cumulative values, when to use these. Maybe you're wanting to look at your link development over time, how many links you've accumulated over time, and you're drawing out a graph, and this gives you the cumulative sum over days. So 1, 3, and it just kind of counts all the way up. You can see it getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So that's quite useful if you want to draw graphs over time with the impact of month on month of what's going on. So not exciting, but very useful, like little methods there to save you time, particularly sum and mean. It's just like, what you might need to know that information. And can you imagine writing a formula for 300,000 rows in Excel? Take a bit of time, right? Okay, so found the video useful. Hopefully you did. Support the community by, liking, commenting. Any problems, just comment. I'll do my best to help. Subscribe to the channel, and if you really love the channel, share it with your friends. All right, see ya for video 10. Ciao.